I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to CTA's Daily Review. Today is September 13, Wednesday, 2023. So we had this bullish and bearish day in the same day. Really what happened is that when we made this high from yesterday, this was making a range in itself, and then they decided to do a lower low, lower high leg coming down to retrace back into a better area of 61 and taking out liquidity on their way and confusing everybody. So if you were in the market and you took the profit and then you made good decisions, you weren't going to be affected by this by getting wiped out, because everybody and their mama wanted to buy there, which we bought, but we also want to take the money. Even with the big expectations of up here, to be honest with you, it might be a mixed market because it's not really happening. I mean, we're supposed to be already up here by the middle of the month, and we're September 13. So I don't know. And I've been saying all week that we are the ones lagging. We are the ones making lower highs, not making higher highs like Nas and S&P did today and also in the past weeks. So let me show you this. I'll show you the trades too. Phenomenal days still, and probably some people would have had big trouble, but the decisions is what really changes the game, and then you brings your consistency also by just taking profit. I'm telling you. So long story short, I gotta be at the gym at 6. I'm gonna make this fast. So open up here. London makes a low here, gets back to the open. Now keep in mind, I mentioned yesterday and this whole week I've been saying this open is going to be very sensitive, because we're going to be visiting it over and over again. We wanted the bullish week, but I mean, they're still hanging it down here. And are we going to get it Thursday and Friday? I don't know, but I don't care, because I can still profit if it's going a different direction by making good decisions. By how? So I made a low here, took that out. Came up, took that out. Made a low here, took that out. Okay, then the news 8:30. So you want to be waiting. You want to make sure all your trades are closed at 8:30. Obviously, in a CPI event like today, they're gonna whipsaw both sides. So let them do what they're doing. So the whipsaw up first, take that out, okay? And yeah, you're thinking, oh, this is a buy. You gotta, first of all, you're not touching this, because this is a blink of an eye in a millisecond that this wick shoots up here. You're not gambling here. That's dangerous if you're trying to take this trade or any trade. But I will let it show its hand by the next move, because I want to be a buyer from here. And why is that? I've been saying yesterday, they're going to wipe out the people trying to buy first to get up. Now, yes, we wanted a long distance, but if we don't get it, you got to trade accordingly. So, and you have to be able to move like that, because if you're stuck and married to this and you let this come against you, you didn't take profit, then you're not ready. You're just not ready yet. You're because once you have rules and once you have a common flow that's protects you, then you won't let this come against you. And I'll show you in a second the trade. So we wipe down, we come out, boom. And you have to see this on a 10-second, which I'll show you that trade real quick. Might as well do it this way. All right, so there's on the 10-second when there's that big whip coming down here, and I don't know why it doesn't show on this, but that's the gap that we were in, right? And that's the open right there. Look how we hit right here. So I let this, when it's going fast, and this is a 10-second chart, because I'm going to need a 10-second chart for a CPI or any news, especially in the beginning. And then I'll convert to like a 30-second. I don't need a 10-second so much. But this is also confidence and momentum. So price, 1 leg down, 2 legs down, comes up, 3 legs down. Okay, so makes an equal low. So this is generally dangerous, but at the same speaking, I don't mind taking this shot, because once the price goes up with this candle up and retraces, it opens up here. This is a time where I've just pushed the button because of the momentum, and I understand, and this is sitting in that gap, and we are literally touching that last down block with that retrace of this bullish candle. See that? You got to know, like, this is experience. I don't recommend this for anybody, but the thing is that I have my what I'm looking for, which is coming into this gap and then wiping out, the liquidity that we did here, and then we wiped out those people that were trying to buy on that big event, right, which was yesterday. and you see how it goes underneath and stays in that wick, almost 50%, and you're 50% of this gap. Anyways, where are you taking this? So obviously we want to shoot it for a home run, but what's realistic for me when we got up here, remember I'm looking at the 15-minute, when we get up into this up candle here. Now thank God I didn't just sit here and hold for one trade, because I was trying to do that in these past weeks, and let me tell you, I don't like it, and it sucks, because I'll tell you why. I fucking made triple or double the amount by grooving with it, taking the profits. So for example, taking this all the way up here, we're up here, we're in this imbalance, we've already kind of did that job. I don't if I, just like yesterday, and this is why, you know, when I take the profit and I beat myself up just a little bit and say, oh, I should have held it, but guess what? I protected myself. I took the profit because I know it can go the other way as a possibility. Sure enough, this is the same story today, and this video is going to show you why yesterday makes sense. So please watch yesterday's video. But anyways, taking the profit, I know it's doing its little 3 drives here, and that's why I don't like screenshotting, because it sucks for me to take the profit I really want, and then by the time I go in and take the trade and analyze and then screenshot it, we get to the next trade here, which is now going to be a sell to me. Obviously, because we reached up here, we're oversold here, big oversold, using that as confluence, but I'm already understanding that we came in here. So got your little 3 drives up here, and then we got a breakdown and a right back up into that block. See that? Perfect pattern. That's what I'm looking for. Market's still moving fast. Where am I taking this? Here I do drop the ball here a little bit, but and as I usually do on the second trade, it's just counter trend trading. So, you know, it's just, I'm keeping that mindset. But from here, I do let it come to the 50 here, and it did go obviously much more back to the open, which I had the same problem yesterday. But you know what? But the reason why I take the profit here is because I know that this is a probability. So I'm guaranteed to take this up here in my mind, guaranteed in my analysis. And then when I sell this, I'm guaranteed to take it to here. I'm not guaranteed here or here, but I could have held it here. But hey, I don't give a fuck. I'm screenshotting early, but I ended up taking it right here at the 50 and left it alone. Take the goddamn money. I'm good. I'm not worried about, you know, hitting home runs. I'm really not, because each leg that I catch, and these are higher, high, higher, low legs, and lower, low, lower, high legs that I catch majority of the leg. I mean, you know, so, that's why I'm consistently profitable. Okay. So after this, obviously, you know where it comes. I'm not sure why this is so ugly, but, when I take the trade out here, okay, I then turn around and, what do you call it? I let this wait and do its thing. Okay. So if I would normally take a buy here, I do, and I take a loss, right? After this loss, this thing's coming back. It's going to come deeper. No problem. I'm going to let this thing come back. And where does it come to? It's coming to the open, coming to a deeper 79 right here, as you can see. And we took out that liquidity, that there. And look how we did not take that one. So it's literally by the point, it did not take it. And we're in the open. I want to take this shot right here. And sure enough, beautiful. Where do I take this trade to? All the way back up to here. Now, obviously, this was my buy, sell, buy idea originally. And by the way, we also had a buy, sell, buy here. So 3 times did this happen. I'm sorry, 2 times this happened, that pattern. And you can count them and watch my videos, and you'll see number 4, number 5, number 6. Each one is a sell or a buy or sell in the next sequence of playing jump rope. I'm playing jump rope. So, you know, I jump rope, I get in, I'm playing jump rope, I'm 2-stepping, get out, then get back in. And then, okay, jump rope. All right, took the money, let it fuck around a little bit, whatever, took a loss, no big deal. Comes down, I let it come down, boom, jump rope, I get back in. Boom, where am I taking it? Going all the way up, and I'm taking it to here. Now, I wanted to come up here, but this is a lower high on Dow. Dow is weak, and S&P and NAS are not. So right here gives us the divergence that we're going to be the weak one. We've been the weak ones all the time, so I've been saying this for a while. They made higher highs here. See that? And it kept going up until they broke right there. and then it broke right there, but we were already always coming down. So showing you this, the reason for it is because when this price came up and it was 11 o'clock, I even messaged somebody, the guy on YouTube right now, on this comment yesterday or whatever. This a failed high. So I'm getting out. I'm taking the profit. I'm happy with this, dude. I got this buy. I got this sell. I got this buy. Bro, I'm happy, right? And I don't know I know I'm going to come up here. And I know I'm going to retrace down here. Not for how far. Then I know I'm going to buy back up. Now, from here, I don't know exactly what's going to happen. So I don't fuck with it. I'm not playing their game, right? You get what I'm saying? I'm going to run off in the sunset, right? And I'm not playing with them. Now, when this was struggling, I was like, yeah, I'm taking that out. I showed you that here, right? Right here, struggling here. So I take the profit because I know this could be a problem. And then it starts struggling and I get out. Completely am done. Take the profit. Next trade, I let this thing come down and do what it wanted to do and come all the way for the end of the day. There's only one shot that I could probably take, and it would be generally in the power hour, as it likes to make a bottom and retrace and wipe out people from selling, to be confusing. So that being said, in my mind, this is trade 1, sell, trade 2, buy, trade 3. Trade 4 was this sell. Now, because it was struggling, I didn't like it. I got out. I'm not fucking with this. But this was a big sell. So this turned out to be a big sell and didn't buy back from here, and they wanted to take them out. But what was the real reason? It was because this is how the structure really looked like. And you're about to see this. Where is this thing? From here, I got to make this quick. Fuck. This was the real flow that has happened. You see that? That's really what happened. Or if I fine tune it, I'll do this. Well, I'll just do it quickly or something. What's it doing? Oh my God. So you're getting your higher lows, right? Watch this. This is what you're seeing. Whoops. That was supposed to be there. Watch this here. Oops, that was supposed to be there. Hopefully I can fix this. Yeah. Just move that like that and just move that like that. This is what really happened. You see that? Go ahead, screenshot that. You can study that. But with this fib and that being from here to here, the highest level from here to here, that's why the fib's there. Then it made a lower low, lower high and came back to a 61 or a retracement deeper. Now, we should be coming up, man. But, at the same time, bro, if this is going to be a black swan event situation, or the market gets really weak and we never come up and the historical data doesn't match and all that, then okay. I mean, what can I say? Then we break lower and it's very suspect. This is very suspect. If it doesn't break up higher from here, it's a big problem. So I'm still expecting bullish prices. This is now, so basically what I did is this is the swing from A to B, the retracement back to the buy. So now, yeah, we close and then Asia London might, could come lower. I doubt if it comes lower, but now what I'm looking for is this sequence of higher high, higher lows to continue all over again. So I'm looking for, I don't know, some shit like this. Whatever. So, and for this next leg, right? So, or some shit like that. But here's the thing, and if someone's sitting here holding, I like to hold the trades. I want to hold the trades. Well, guess what? I have took 3 trades, even a 4th one. And if you add up all the trades, we've been up here. I've already made points enough to be up here. And you're still waiting for it to happen. Right? So, and, tens of thousands a day, this is happening. You know what I'm saying? So, that being said, and then the last trade was obviously the 331, and right here, beautiful pattern here, breaks down right here. And now this level, this low that we're at right here, happens to be that, taking out that piece of liquidity right there. See that? So it attacked that. You didn't know, maybe. Look to the left of the chart. Boom, I'm taking that buy. So I'm patient. I'm waiting. So I missed all this beautiful big sell. It would have been amazing if I caught that. Oh my God, I'd be like fucking retired, bro, from doing this shit, because they can't fuck with me. But I didn't catch that. But note to self, if it's struggling and it's going to go another way and I have another idea, which is this big fib, take that sell. I've got plenty of options to pick from. Take it. Take a shot. Why not? But at the same time, why was it good to not do anything? Because I'm sitting back, I'm chilling, I'm profitable, and I'm letting it come to me. Let it show me something else. So it's okay for me to miss all this. Guess what? I know I'm catching that. Why? Because this is now 315. Look at the pattern. Comes right above, right back into it. That would have been a better entry, but I'm entered right. That candle stop loss would generally be right here. And then taking it. Where am I taking this? Well, I put a little fib here. Now, I'm not saying we're bearish, but I put a fib. This is a range from here to here, retrace. That's fair. From here down to here to retrace, 50% is fair. Now, I'm just saying, I know I want to keep going up, but this is a least target. But here's the thing. Well, here's why. Why do I take it here? Look what time it is. It's 3:57. I held this bitch all the way to almost 4 o'clock, and boom. Because I know how this algorithm runs, and on time as well. So take rushes to try to squeeze people out from here. I was hoping for a big move up, right? But we didn't get it. Why? Because the time doesn't permit it. Why? Because it's 4 o'clock. Right? So I can't squeeze no more out of this lemon. So I hope this all makes sense. And then let's see. Is there anything else I wanted to say? Pretty much showed you everything. I showed you what's going to happen tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. Yeah. So this week, as you see, look at it, man. That ain't a bullish week for sure. So Thursday, Friday, I don't know, man. I'm gonna tread lightly right now because we shouldn't be down here. We should be up here already. So I don't know. Does it sink to hell? I doubt it, man. I doubt it. But in this environment, anything's possible. So, but this is where I'm at, man. I'm not trusting this. I'm playing it smooth, and I'm getting in and out when I need to, making the good decisions. I'm telling you that'll change your game. All right, I gotta go. So hope this helps, and take care. God bless.